Okay, good morning, everyone. Okay, so let's start. Okay, it's recording already. Morning by ping. Okay. For those that are just coming in, welcome. Okay, hi Raymond, hi Ellen, hi Anna. Who else? Kelvin, Neo, hi Mr. Neo. And just also Pikatima also. Okay, welcome. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, today the date is 8th of April. Okay, today is Derek's birthday. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, Derek is away for holiday right now. Okay, I think it's in the middle of somewhere in the ocean. Okay, so let's get started while I'm here doing my recording of my webinar. Okay, last week we had our options course. Anybody was at the option course? Okay, if you all were there, I know you had a great time. Okay, interestingly, we have maybe close to 50% of people who attended options refer their friends. So about the 50% of the class, the most recent class, 50% were actually referral, which is pretty good. Okay, so for this Galaxy 8, I think it's because of your voice. The rest can hear. Yeah, Pikatima, you were here just last week? Were you here last week? Oh, fantastic. Okay, so I went around and did my survey. A lot of people conduct option course, but a lot of them just teach one strategy or two strategy. Okay, Francis not only do that, in the 2 days he actually teach maybe 3 strategy, but as we go along, he will add on more other strategy that is useful. Those people who really appreciate those people who have attended other courses, they will really appreciate what Francis has done. Anyway, okay, so that is for Francis. Okay, today back to our markets. Okay, let's look at the S&P 500. Okay, so S&P 500, as we mentioned, let me see. Let's go to this chart right now. Okay, so we can see from here we did this bounce. Okay, there was a setup, weekly charts set up for this bounce. Okay, there was a pause over here. Okay, you'll see there's a pause over here. Okay, and so it's represented by 2 doji candles. Okay, 2 doji candles represents a pause. Okay, and after this, the market decided to continue to go up higher. So we are heading up higher. You can see market is overbought. Okay, into the overbought region. Then it came back down a bit, and then right now it's going higher again. Okay, market, if you are on daily charts, is overbought. Okay, you can see from here. This market is overbought. Okay, you can see from here, market is overbought. Over here on daily charts, let's look at the weekly charts, see whether it's overbought or not. Okay, so on the weekly charts, okay, we can see about the same thing. Okay, weekly charts starting to go overbought also. Okay, so we have this overbought and overbought region. The market is on the weekly charts is trying to turn trend. Okay, you can see from here we have this MA that is going from here. Now starting to crawl up higher, we have this MA which is still straight. Okay, so I will say maybe right now it's a long sideways trend right now. Okay, the resistance, okay, for S&P is 2940. That is the resistance for S&P 500. The resistance for this part is around 2350. That's the support for this part, 2350. 2940. My view is still the same. Okay, even though the market is up, my view for the long term is we are looking for it to still want to test low. Okay, we want to test low one more time before testing high. Okay, that's the very long term view. For the shorter term view, okay, for the daily charts, shorter term view, then will be already uptrend. Okay, already uptrend. Right now, what we have to look for is you have to look for swing, is you have to look for a swing down, okay, into this MA again, okay, like here. Okay, you can see the CCI low, okay, like here. When the CCI is low, this will be good entry points. Okay, so right now it's high, not so good to enter. Okay, wait for it to go low again. This part, I think will be a good time to enter. Okay, so daily charts, wait for pullback. Okay. Weekly charts, also overbought, okay, wait for pullback, okay, not good time to enter for weekly swing too, okay. In fact, for weekly swing, there is no setup, okay. There's a change of trend, okay. From here, there's a possible change of trend, okay. From here, we have this price goes up here to break the 50 MA. However, there is no pullback, okay, into this MA. So what to look for is a good pullback into this line for us to say that, hey, it's a valid pullback already, okay? Okay, any question for this S&P 500? Okay, since it's a new month, I think monthly no much change. Okay, monthly is still the same. Okay, you will see from here, monthly is just this line over here. Okay, this line over here, and this part over here. Get this line over this part, and price went parabolic over here, followed by this pullback, this part now. Okay. So monthly, not much changes. Okay, so I'm looking for price. This is a guess, okay, may not be sure, right? I'm looking for price to test low again, rather than to test high, which is actually quite close, really. Okay. Any question? If not, can we move on? Okay. Next one is HSI, Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index. More interesting with the monthly chart, okay? So you can see from here, the monthly chart is like that, okay? Resistance is 31860, okay? This is the resistance over here, tested with this and this, okay? And we have an uptrend line, which is this part. This is an important uptrend line because this was actually in the global financial crisis. This is actually the Asia financial crisis. This, I think, was the Euro crisis. So right now, look, if any point of time you pull back into this crisis, will be good. Okay, but now it's far from this line. Okay, this is the monthly chart over here. Okay, with monthly chart, we don't really look at it. Maybe look at it once a month. Okay, now we go to the weekly charts. Okay, weekly charts, we have the same thing. Okay, interesting right now, the MA has started to turn. Okay, we can see this price went down and start to turn, okay, on this. You can see from here, this line has turned, okay. However, right now, price is far from my MA. My MA is here. We're looking for a pullback into this MA. Then we'll have the line over here, followed by this line over here, followed by CCI high. We'll look for it to come back down here to buy, okay. So at this moment, not much to go for the buy, okay. There is a momentum trade, okay. You can see from here, there was a pause. Okay, you can see this doji candle, there's a pause over here. And after this pause, pullback and then rebound again. So there is a little bit of momentum upwards, okay, heading towards higher, okay. However, I will prefer to look for price to pull back into MA, okay, to buy, okay. Next, charts, daily charts. Daily charts remain the same. Okay, daily charts will be market overbought. Okay, there was a pause over here. Can you see here? Price went CCI low. Okay, CCI low, then triggered. Okay, and then after that, my market went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth candle, there was a pause. Okay, a pause means 50%. Okay, there's a 50% chance that it will go down, 50% chance it will go up. It's like a doji candle. Okay, so there's a pause and then market can decide to go up further. Okay, so we can see for this market right now, it's a bit euphoric. Okay, it's a bit bullish, but it is not doing this kind of bullishness. It's starting to go like that and then like that. You follow what I'm saying? So normally when the channel, okay, we draw a channel, you can see from here, there's a correct channel, okay. which is this one. Okay, you can see from here, normally the line is like this. Okay, so right now it's starting to move outside my channel. Okay, it's starting to move outside my channel to here. Okay. Okay, so I will say that it's okay. It's moving like that. Okay. Any question? Okay, big area of congestion will be here. There will be a big area of congestion here. Okay, you can see from price. Okay, there's a lot of jam over here, up and down, up and down, up and down, a lot of jam over here. So as the price go higher, there may be a jam over here. The previous jam, okay, the previous jam was actually here. The previous jam was actually here around this area. Okay, previous jam was actually here. Okay, you can see from here, there's a jam here. Price support become resistance, resistance becomes support over here. So right now it's going into this region over here. Okay. So conclusion. Not much setup right now on whether on the weekly charts or daily charts. I feel that it's not much setup. Okay, right now. Okay. STI. Okay, now we go to STI. STI also indicating that the price is more bullish, okay, compared to, let's say, 1 month or 2 months ago. Okay, let's say 2 months ago, the market was more bullish right now. Okay, we have this price breakout over here. Okay, price breakout over here, and forming this pattern over here. Okay, you can see here, there's this head and shoulder pattern. Okay. Reverse head and shoulder pattern, and right now I think price still have some momentum upwards. Okay, this is the weekly charts for STI. Still has some momentum upwards, maybe towards 33380. Okay, this will be the resistance over here. Okay. Any question? So right now, broke out of the resistance. Okay, heading now is 3320. I think it's about maybe 50 points upwards. Okay, we have this bottoming pattern and a breaking out of the uptrend line. Okay, last week maybe did we talk about STI? Did we talk about this, Sean? Maybe we got talk about this last week. Okay, yeah, we talked about this, right, last week. Okay, we talked about this STI last week. Remember, we talked about price pulling back. Sorry, okay, last week we talked about price pulling back last week. Okay, and then CCI low. Okay, and then the price was triggered. Yes or no? Oh, this one I talked about it last week. Okay. Oh, STI. Okay, so further up, watch for 3230, 3230, already triggered lah. Okay, so this is 3230 right here. Oh, this line over here. Okay, last week we talked about this one, 3230, and then it's swing up. Okay. Okay, any other index want to talk about? Okay, let's talk about Dow and the rest should be about the same. Okay, S&P should be about the same. Okay, should be about the same. Okay, I want to share with you one thing, guys. Even though the market is turning more bullish, okay, you can see from here, this sharp rally over here, right? This very sharp rally over here. there is a big resistance over here, okay, 23750. Okay, this resistance over here is a very, very big resistance over here. And last, we have this pullback over this part, okay. So as it go up here, even though right now market last week was strong, as it reach here, it may have resistance. Okay, can you see here? Oh, around 26650. Okay, now it's 26430. Okay, this weekly charts, right? Okay, if it form this high and then turn down, then we have what we call a triple top. Okay, a triple top pattern. Okay. Normally, if it's uptrend, guys, normally it's uptrend, is maybe just a bit of sharing over here, right? If it's consolidation, the low will get higher. The means will be like that. You know what I mean? Then it will break up. Do you follow? So the low is usually higher. This is called ascending triangle. Do you follow what I'm saying? This is called ascending triangle, which the price goes up this way. But here don't have, right? Here is don't know what kind of pattern. Okay, but don't have this ascending triangle. Usually, ascending triangle is something like that. Okay, then it means you go up higher. Okay, the low get higher. Oh. Like example, you can draw many here. So you can draw it like this. Okay, you can draw this line here. Okay, then you have ascending triangle, right? These are all ascending triangles. Okay, so from here, you have ascending triangle, here ascending triangles. So along the way, there are a lot of ascending triangle, but this drop is weird. Okay, so let's wait for some more confirmation. Okay, let's wait for some more confirmation, whether it can go down, support here, turn up like that. Okay, let's say example is here. If it turn down and then eventually do this, it will turn down, eventually do this part, then we be more bullish. Okay, at the moment, no lah. Well, let's wait for it to come back down. Okay, for confirmation. Okay, clear? Okay, let's look at Shanghai index. I mentioned many times in recent months, Asia is outperforming US. Yes or no? Okay, and you can see it playing out right now. Okay, you can see that Asia is outperforming US right now. Weekly charts. Okay, outperforming, changing trend. Okay, so all these still got a little bit momentum to go up. Okay, we can see from here. Still got momentum to go up. Okay, so we can see that this pause, there's a pause over here. Okay, price is like a flag pattern. Okay, the price going up here. There is a pause, and then right now it's going back up again. Okay. Okay, so I think Asia got some momentum. Okay, US also have some momentum, but the key is where to go in, okay, where to get in. Last week, I think STI was a good entry, okay. STI chart was a good entry for STI. Shanghai earlier, if let's say, there was a swing setup, okay. I hope I think you all get it right. This one I also mentioned before. This was the previous chart I drawn. Can you all see, guys, here? I think this was last week. When I draw this box over here, the CCI low, okay. Oh, this was, I think, last week homework. Okay, and then there was a swing high, pump, went up. Okay. So that is for Shanghai index. Currently, no lah. Currently, it's far for my MA week. Okay. Next is, let's look at a screener. Okay, maybe we can look at some stocks. And any stocks previously that we want to look at that we have caught previously. I don't think I have time to go through all, okay? But you have any stocks that was any charts that was that we want to talk about previously? Okay, help me, okay, because there's a lot, okay? So if you have anyone, you went through one, then let me know, okay? So, Diamond. Oh, by the way, I want to take this opportunity to thank Sean, okay, for helping us to do this summary, okay? I think every week he has been helping us to do this summary, okay? We want to thank him for doing that, okay? So, is it this one? FANG? Kelvin, is it this one? This one got traders GPS, wait, energy position long. Don't have. Where, Kelvin? Don't have like this one. Don't have yet. I think it's more sideways trend, this one. Oh, Kelvin. CMC market. No lah. This one is don't have set up. Okay. If you use, I don't know what's the context. Okay, but you can see for trader GPS here, not much setup. Okay, if you're entered already, maybe around here you can take profit. Okay, maybe around here you can take profit. It's a sideways trend. Okay, it's sideways trend. So if you use the trader GPS, no thief, no thief, no thief, no thief. Okay, so maybe this stock is sideways. Oh, okay, so maybe around 104 you can get out. Okay. Cannot. I think this one not so good. Okay, not so good. AAL. Weekly swing sell. Okay, weekly swing sell. No setup, right? Oh, Xing. No trigger also, right? Our price went up above this MA already. So there is no trigger. Yes or no? Our price went above previous candle not broken, no trigger. Okay, went above the 40 MA, no trigger. Correct or not? Okay, guys, y'all can see, right? No trigger, right? EA is swing, weekly swing. Oh yeah, EA, that is a trigger. Okay, price went up here. I don't know whether it's this stock. I think EA is one of the stocks that do a lot of what is called platform gaming. That means the use of the games are more platform gaming. Okay, there is a trigger here, weekly swing sell. Okay, Xing, have you went in already? Xing, not yet. Okay, if you have not went in, I think don't go in already. Okay, why? It's because there is a swing here, there is a swing here, there's a swing here, there's a swing here. This swing, right, is not as it is not telling us. Normally we will swing down. Swing down is like that, right? So swing down will be like that. Yes or no? Okay. So in this case, we have a swing down here, but the low, right, is not getting lower. So we have this low here. Okay, we have this low here. Okay, so it's not making lower low. So it's not making lower low. So the low is actually higher. See, you can see from here, this low is going higher. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, if you want to trade this, right? Okay, you want to trade this, right? Okay, let's reset. You want to trade this like that. Okay. Okay, so it's about risk reward, guys. Yes or no? Okay, let's look at this EA. It's quite interesting. Okay, because same time it didn't make a lower low. Okay, let's look at the price over here. Okay. Okay, I'll see this weekly charts. Oh, so we have this trend, then followed by this trend, then followed by this trend. Up. Yes or no? Okay, I'll see. Okay, then followed by this huge drop. Okay, this is like an impulsive drop. Okay, and then price has rallied back up into this region, which is like 106 region. Okay, 106 region is like a huge support. Okay, we can see from here. This is a support over here. Here, support broken, and then right now there's support. Okay, so if you want to trade this, I think how will I trade this is maybe do a sell around 106 area, okay, and put a stop, tag stop maybe at 108 or 110. Okay, possible trade. Okay, so like that. Okay, so I will do a trade at 106 here. Then I'll put a tight stop, a very tight stop at maybe 109 or 110 like that. Okay, and then I'll swing trade sell. Got it? Okay, I think that will be the thing to do. Why? Because I feel the risk, right, is quite little. Okay, the risk is really quite little versus the reward, the potential reward can be quite a lot. Okay, see from this chart, right? If the trade turned out correct, and this is a swing low, right? And this is a resistance that hold, then this resistance can be quite a lot. Yes or no? So we can see maybe risk reward. Okay, you don't have a perfect swing trade setup, but looking at the chart, looking at the parabolic trend that you went through previously, looking at this huge drop and then the resistance over here, if I do a trade over here and I do a swing down, I have a good risk reward trade. Okay. Okay. So not always so simple. Okay, let's move on. Okay. I spent a lot of time because I think this is an interesting chart to look at. Okay. Let's move on. PCCW. Okay. Swing set up, right? Okay, this one not good. Okay, overlapping candles. Okay, once you see candle like that, just throw away. Okay, overlapping candles. Okay, next one, LLY. This one not bad. Okay, it's not bad. We have possible swing setup. Okay, possible swing setup. This price goes up, come down. I think it's okay. Okay, Sean, I think this one can consider this, right? Can consider this as a high. Okay, this is a high, but actually open high, close low. So I feel it's still a high. Okay, so price come down, candlestick is small, CCI is low. Okay, do your homework. Not bad. Okay, so if I do a trade, I will enter maybe around above here. I will do a stop loss below there. Okay, I don't need to go all the way down. Okay, if I don't want to, I can do it maybe at 125. So 127 long, 125 stop loss. That will be my trade. Okay. Next, shock. Shock also not bad. Okay. The only thing is this pullback was quite fast. Okay, but I think that's about the only thing. Okay, the rest is okay. We have a small candle over here. Trend is still stable. Okay, not bad. Okay. VSH for short. VSH for weekly short. Yes, okay. There's a weekly chart. Is it weekly chart? Weekly long. Weekly long don't have. Okay. Weekly long don't have. This is not a good chart to go long. Okay. Alan, this is not VHS, not a good chart to go long. Why? Because it doesn't have that higher high, higher low kind of trend. Okay. So this low, this high, you are doing weekly charts, right? This high versus this high, that is a higher high, correct? So not good. Okay, what you want to look for is like that. Okay. Okay, short Grace, okay, not bad. Just now we mentioned already, short. Okay, Zen, daily swing. Zendesk, daily swing, also not bad. Okay, all these are guys must wait for Grace, must wait for trigger. Okay, now it's a pause, doesn't mean it will go up, must wait for trigger. Trigger means you must swing above the high to trigger. Okay, remember, don't enter now because now it's like still coming down. We don't know whether it will stop. Okay, all this must trigger. Okay, got it? Last one, Wilma to buy. I got out of Singapore stocks already lah. Okay, Singapore stocks really. Wilma, you want to buy now? It's not a good time. Okay, Wilma, what you want to buy? You want to wait for it to pull back. Okay, into my MA. Okay, but all these stocks, I think, not so good lah. Okay, not so good. Okay, and this one also overlapping candles. Yes, all these are overlapping candles. Okay. Grace, you're asking which one? Just one more candle. You're talking about Zen, is it? Zendesk daily chart, right? Yeah, Zendesk daily chart haven't triggered ma. Right, price open high, close low, open high, close low. Haven't triggered, right? So you want to wait for trigger. So trigger will be like above this 82, 88. Okay, maybe 0.2% above that, then you trigger. Oh, haven't triggered yet. Okay, stop loss, don't need to put so low. Okay, if you want to put stop loss, you can, of course, you can put it here. Okay, this is the swing low stop loss. I think you don't need to put so low, you can put it maybe, if you trigger here, right, then you put it maybe here. Oh, Ken, what position I'm in? Right now, I don't do any position trade, swing trade. I don't have time. Okay, I'm setting up my team. Okay, right now for stocks, I have one, and then going to have one for FX and index. I already have one person trading already. Okay, right now it's getting them to stabilize and then increasing the size. Okay, I don't have any position for myself. Okay, how I approach trading is a bit different right now. It's not that why I teach trading don't trade. It's because time. Okay, I think for me the leverage is really getting good traders to trade my company's account or my account. I think that is more leverage for me right now. Okay. if I need to look at this swing trade setup and then trade, look at the market, I don't have this time right now already, okay? So I don't do that, okay? Trader GPS, sometimes I will look at it, but I would prefer if you are very disciplined in Trader GPS and you have good track record over a period of 6 months to a year, okay, we can work out something together, okay? Right now, someone is doing this or planning to do this for me, okay? But I don't have the time myself, okay? So if not, then thank you very much, okay? Last one, DBS, okay? Maybe DBS want to see. Same thing, okay? All these are very frothy, okay? All these stocks are very frothy. So when you see something like that, guys, okay, this is a learning again, you see a gap like that, okay, followed by a price continue to go up like that. That means price is very frothy, okay? So this one is high, okay? So CCI pull back down a bit, but I think if you go to weekly chart, you will see a clearer picture. Yes or no? Huh? Clear, right? Okay, if not, then thank you very much. Oh yeah, one more thing. Next week, there is a quarterly meeting. I'm surprised it's not full, okay? Usually, quarterly meeting is, once it's out, is very fast full one. But I don't know why is it not full. I want to, coming week's quarterly meeting, I'll be doing the training. I'll be touching on Bollinger Band again, okay? For those who have not done the Bollinger Band training, okay, please go and sign up for the Bollinger Band. It's free for your guys, okay? It's free. So please go and sign up quickly, okay? Normally when we announce, immediately off one. I don't know why. Recently, maybe got too many events. Okay, this is a free event for all our graduates, okay? The link is over here, okay? The link is over here. I put it on Facebook right now, okay? Okay, there's no upsell or anything, guys. This is our training for quarterly meeting, okay? So there is no Bollinger Band training, okay? It's just our training, usual training, okay? Okay, so we will be using Bollinger Band, okay? There are a few ways we're going to use it, okay? Bollinger Bands, okay? There are two specific ways I like. One is, the date is 16th of April, next week, okay? There's one I like, which is called, one of the ways I like is called retrace or mean reversion, okay? That means if it goes up too much, we want to do the other direction. And then the other way, which very few people talks about it, is called volatility breakout, okay? Volatility breakout is things like, okay, never mind, you come for the event I share with you all, okay? But I want to share with you all that market goes through different phase of volatility, okay? So sometimes there will be low volatility, sometimes there will be high volatility. So it goes through this sine wave of high and low volatility. So if we can manage to see when is the volatility of the chart, then from there we can actually trade it, okay? So using Bollinger Bands, okay? Example is like that, okay? You can see from here, there is this distance from here. Okay, see this distance from here, there's a low volatility, okay? And then followed by high volatility, that's when the band stretch out, okay? The band stretch out. So you want to look for low volatility, like example here, okay, when the band are squeezed together, and then trade the direction, okay? Okay, so things like that, okay, low volatility and trade the direction. Okay, I'll cover more when in the coming class, okay? Recording, I'll try my best, okay, to record, okay? If not, then quickly go and sign up, okay? It's on the 16th of April, next Tuesday, okay? Next Tuesday, okay? there will also be Daphne will also be around to talk about the trading cashback promotion on that day. Okay, so but the majority will be mine. Okay, so majority will be on support resistance. Okay. So how to sign up? Very easy. Just click here. This one. Then sign up lah. Click here. Then you can sign up already. Click on the picture. Or go and sign up. Okay. Please go and share with your fellow graduates. Okay, if they have not signed up. Okay. So if not, then thank you very much. See you all next week. Bye.